If Copilot on your Windows 11 PC is showing an error, or it will not open, or it stops responding, this video is for you. We will walk through 12 fixes, from the simplest to the most advanced. Let us get Copilot working again.
Start with the basics. Close the Copilot app completely and restart your PC. Then open Copilot again and try a new prompt. A simple restart clears most temporary glitches.
Next, check whether the problem is on Microsoft's side. Open Copilot in your browser at copilotaberprosiam.com. If it fails there too, a service outage is likely. For work or school accounts, ask your administrator to check the Microsoft 365 Service Health page.
To find out whether the problem is the app or your account, test Copilot in the browser. Open Microsoft Edge, go to copilotmicrosoft.com, and sign in with the same account. If the web version works, the issue is inside the app. Try an in-private window to rule out browser cache and extensions.
Sign out of Copilot completely and sign back in with one account only. Use your personal Microsoft account for Consumer Copilot or your work account for Microsoft 365 Copilot. A fresh session often clears stale tokens.
Make sure Windows and the Copilot app are up to date. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, and check for updates. Then open the Microsoft Store, go to Library, and update all apps. Restart your PC afterwards.
Use Microsoft's own troubleshooters. Open the Get Help app and search for Copilot Connectivity Troubleshooter. Run it, then run Copilot License Troubleshooter as well. They check firewall rules and license problems automatically.
The most reliable fix is repairing the app. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps, find Microsoft Copilot, open Advanced Options, and click Repair first. If that does not help, click Reset. This clears the app's cache and sign-in data.
If repair and reset do not work, reinstall the app. Uninstall Microsoft Copilot from Settings, then open the Microsoft Store and install it again. Sign in once more and test Copilot from the Start menu.
Network interference is a common cause. Turn off your VPN and any proxy. Flush the DNS cache by running ipconfig/flushdns in an admin terminal. Check that your system clock is set to automatic and synchronized. Then try a different network, like a mobile hotspot.
Sometimes Copilot is disabled by a policy. Open the registry editor and go to HKey Current User, Software, Policies, Microsoft, Windows. Look for the Windows Copilot key. If Turn Off Windows Copilot is set to 1, change it to 0, then sign out and back in. On Windows 11 25H2, also make sure the Remove Microsoft Copilot app policy is not enabled.
For deeper system problems, repair Windows files. Open an admin terminal and run sfc/scano. Then, run dism online cleanup image restore health. Restart your PC when both finish. Finally, check your region and your Microsoft 365 license. If Copilot is grayed out in Excel, save the file to OneDrive, turn autosave on, and format the data as a table. In any Office app, go to File, Account, and click Update License. Enable connected experiences under Account Privacy. These errors usually come from 4 places: your network, Microsoft servers, the app itself, or your account and license. In June 2026, Microsoft even fixed a service outage that returned a simple "something went wrong" message. So, start with the browser test and work through the fixes. Most cases are solved by repairing the app and checking the network. Thanks for watching.